Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really great method to bend text in LibreOffice Writer. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that we need to go to FontWork. And now we need to scroll down and select here this one, FontWork style. It is green to blue. I click on it and I click OK. After that it will be inserted to our project. And now when our text is selected, we need to click right mouse button on it and we need to go to area. Now I go to shadow and I change distance to 0 and transparency to 0. I click OK button and now our text is ready to use without a shadow. If you would like to change the color, you can do it here. On default it is set to gradient, but of course we can change it to color and we can set here maybe black color. And of course we can change text that we want to use, so I click double time on the text and now I need to type here the text that I want to use. For example, it is bent text. Okay, I click somewhere here and how you see it really works. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in the comment if it's a software problem.